The graph displays the top 10 European countries by household electricity consumption in 2016. It uses tons of oil equivalent as the unit of measurement and also provides a comparison with 1990 consumption levels. Understanding electricity consumption patterns is crucial for energy policy, resource management, and environmental sustainability efforts. This data can inform strategies for reducing energy dependence, promoting renewable energy sources, and mitigating climate change.
We can observe at the graph that France had the highest household electricity consumption in 2016 at 13.7 thousand tons of oil equivalent, then followed by Germany with 11.0 thousand tons. Not probably its consumption decreased compared to 1990. I think it is 11.8 thousand tons. So the United Kingdom, Spain, and Italy complete the top 5 with consumption figures of 9.3, 6.0, and 5.5 thousand tons respectively. Turkey, Sweden, Norway, Poland, and the Netherlands had the lower consumption levels, ranging only from 4.4 down to 1.9 thousand tons. So it is interesting to note that the significant differences in the consumption between countries, even within Europe. Factors influencing these differences could include population, climate, housing characteristics, energy efficiency measures, and economic activity. So the decrease in Germany's consumption suggested successful implementation of energy-saving initiatives.
So in summary, the graph provides a detailed comparison of household electricity consumption among several key European countries for the year 2016. Notably, France stands out as a country with the highest electricity usage per household, indicating a strong reliance on electrical energy within its residences. In contrast, Germany showcased a significant decrease in electricity consumption compared to its level in 1990, highlighting a successful shift towards more energy-efficient practices and technologies over the years. These contrasting trends between the two countries reflect differing national energy policies, consumer habits, and possibly the prevalence of renewable energy sources. The data emphasizes the necessity of tailored energy management strategies that considers each country's unique context and challenges. It suggests that with the right policies and initiatives, countries can effectively influence and potentially reduce electricity consumption among households, leading to more sustainable energy use across the continent. This analysis serves as a call to action for policymakers to devise and implement targeted strategies that address the specific energy consumption patterns of their population.